what's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. So this is look number 5. I already explained in the last video what happened before. I'm so tired. It's 11:30 at night, but I promised you guys videos, so I gotta record the videos at least. Even if they don't go up tonight, I definitely have to have it. I'll get them up sometime tomorrow, but they have to at least be recorded. That's the first step. So I'm gonna do a very simple look. I'm just do an easy voodoo doll look, real quick, real easy. Nothing too girly, nothing too precise. Everything is just gonna be red. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to take my foundation that's clearly too light and very ashy for me for this look. And then I'm going to take some ashy contour color and contour my face. Powder my face with Airspun, which is hella white on me. So I've decided that I'm going to make this look for my non-real eyeshadow wearers. Because my other looks have kind of been heavy on the shadow. From the big technique. So I'm gonna make this for my real non-eyeshadow wearers, and if you want to go to work like this, go to work like this, okay? My face is ashy, but I'm gonna take my brow pencil and just create a line, a guide, you know, to do the lines down the face and one on each side of your mouth. Then I'm going to go in with a black gel liner and go over that line to darken it up. I use the MAC pot. Once I did the lines, you got to do the inner part of your lips. You want to look a little dead with this. That's how I feel like I look a little dead. Then I go in with some brown shadow, and this is to add like depth and dimension. This is more so like to add like, you know, a shadow to make it look real. Then I'm going to go in with this Snazaroo paint pen and just make all these little dots. And then I'm going in with this eyebrow pencil that I got from e.l.f. It's a brown. And I'm doing like little half circles around the dots. Then I go in with a smaller like eyebrow brush and I blend those little circles out. This adds shadow and dimension to the dots. Then I go in with my white liner and I just make these little crisscross lines, connecting them. You can do these crisscrosses however you like. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but you know, something similar as, you know, a voodoo doll would have. As I said, this isn't going to be a heavy or, you know, eyeshadow look. I'm going to take my contour palette and just put this in the crease to add some dimension and depth to my eye. Then I'm going to take an ashy color that's ashy on me out of that contour palette and put it under my eye and then under my lip. We want to look really tired and damn near dead. Then I go with that same color and put it around my nose. I eventually will add black in my nose too once I blend this out really, really good. You want to make yourself look scary. I don't know how else to put it. Then I'm going with my little baby lashes. I do have a promo code. Use my promo code NeyahNecole if you want to order this. Shout out to them. Bay Area bound. I love your lashes, boo. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I look real dead, scary, creepy. I don't know what the fuck you want to call it, but I don't like it. I look crazy as fuck, bree. Oh, but I feel like this is something you can wear to work too. It gives you that little bit of spookiness. Oh, wait, let's add some blood. Just to add a little kick or something. Add some blood. But yeah, to add some spooky, gory, whatever, this look is for you. This is the type of look you like. People on my Instagram is complaining that I just do girly stuff or I'm just do animals. So here you go. Okay. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. If you end up wearing this, like, go ahead and tag your girl. I'll repost you on my gram or something. Really light. Like, damn, I'm almost done. Anyways, thanks for your support. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Ta-ta, folks.